It's 6:47 in the morning and I'm like hyper as can be, and I have no I don't drink coffee. I don't do caffeine. But I'm just excited to go couponing. Last week I was out of town. I ended up hanging out with Gina Schweppe. You guys will have to see some vlogs. I haven't posted them yet, but I definitely vlogged with her. I took her around my area. And then I went out of town to go visit my family. We went on the Mississippi River on my brother's boat. My kids had an awesome time. It was just nice and relaxing. So, decided to skip Walmart because everybody's busy this summer anyways. But we're at Walmart. There is a ton of P&G deals. I haven't seen this many P&G deals on Ibotta in forever. So, I'm excited to walk through the store with you guys, share with you guys some deals, come back and share with you guys my haul. So let's go inside, have some fun, and have some money. Let's save some money. The best things about couponing is saving money and having fun while you're doing it. That's the point. This is our high, you guys. We love couponing. I'm thinking about couponing literally every single day. I'm talking about coupons every single day. There's not a day where I don't say the word coupon. It's kind of crazy. But let's go have some fun. Here we have the Always Discreet for $5.27. You want to use a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our P&G a couple weeks ago. You would just pay $5.54 for either of those. But there is a 5 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making both of these just 54 cents. Awesome deal. Here we have the Pantene Miracle Booster travel size. I'm excited for this because I love to get travel size items. Both of these are $2.97. You would pay $5.94 for both of these, but there is an Ibotta rebate deal for $5 off of 2. You'll end up just getting both of these for 94 cents or 47 cents each. Here we have the Kotex Liners for $2.97. You want to use a $4 off 4 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You would end up paying just $1.94, but there is a deal with Fetch Rewards where you get 1,000 points when you buy the 2 of them, and there's an Ibotta deal where you get 50 cents times 2, so you get $1 back with Ibotta, making this for 2 of them just a 6-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Aussie shampoo and conditioner for $2.97. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $5.94 for 2 of them. But there's an Ibotta deal where you get $2 back off of 2, and there is a deal where you can submit your receipt to coupons.com where you'll get $2 back off of 2 for that. Your final price for both of these come out to be just $1.94 or 97 cents each, which I actually like Aussie, so we're gonna go ahead and do the deal. Here we have the Head & Shoulders, the 8.45 fluid ounce for $3.67. You're going to want to use this 3 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our P&G. You'll end up just paying $4.34, but there's an Ibotta offer deal for $3 off of 2. So you'll end up using that, making it $1.34 or 67 cents each, which is an awesome deal because this is what my husband uses, so I like to stock up. Here we have the Febreze Unstoppables for $6.94. We currently have a $3 off insert coupon from the P&G. You end up paying just $3.94, but then there is a Ibotta deal for $3 off, making this just 94 cents. Awesome, awesome deal. So here we have the Dawn Dish Soap for $2.83. We currently have a $1 off insert coupon. You would just pay $1.84 for, or $1.83. But then we also have a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making your final price for that product just 83 cents. Finally found these drinks by Starbucks. These are over by my coffee section or whatever, but these are $2.38, and there is a freebie rebate with Ibotta, so you'd pay $2.38, you get that $2.38 back, making them absolutely for free. So my store only has one of the Blue Diamond Extremes, but we're gonna get this one for $3.57. There is a $1.50 off coupon that you guys can use. You end up paying, I think, like $1 or $2.57 or something like that. I can't do it off, or $2.07. But then there's a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. So this ends up becoming just 57 cents, but I'm actually gonna do a better deal. I'm gonna get the Blue Diamond Extremes, and then I'm gonna get one of the Elite or Elote Mexican style street corn, or the Korean beef. My husband wants the Korean barbecue, for $3.48. I will be using a $1.50 off insert coupon for that. We do have $1 off 2 coupons for these, but I'm only gonna get one, so I can't use that coupon. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna end up paying just $5.55 using that one coupon, buying one of these and one of these. You're gonna end up just paying $5.55, but then there's that $1.50 rebate for the extreme ghost peppers, and then you get a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta for buying these. And then there is a deal where if you buy 2 of them, I checked the small print, but you get a $5 Visa gift card for buying 2 of the Blue Diamond products. It is a limit 2 per email, so I have only used it once, so I'm gonna get that. So this ends up becoming, if you don't do the Visa gift card, it ends up becoming $3.55. Otherwise, with the Visa gift card, it's a $1.45 moneymaker. Now, I'm just gonna say this is a better deal at Walgreens, but my store has been sold out for the last 3 weeks to do this deal, and my daughter loves this, so this is the reason why I'm doing it. So we have the jumbo snacks for $4.98. Now you can print off a $1 off of 2 printable coupon from the Kellogg's Family Rewards. I didn't grab it, that's okay, but you're gonna use that $1 off coupon if you want to. But otherwise, we're gonna do this for $4.98. You'd pay $4.98. But there's a bunch of different jumbo snack deals that you guys can do, so from Ibotta. So you get $2 back with Ibotta, plus there is a shop kick deal where you get 370 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.48. So this box just comes out to be just $1.50. So not the greatest deal, but hey, I'm gonna get it because my daughter loves to snack on these while we're out and about, so there we go. Here we have the sweet and spicy Tabasco sauce for $3.56. So there's 2 different scenarios that we can do. You can buy one of them and pay $3.56, but then there is 1,000 points that you get back with Fetch Rewards, and then with Swag Bucks, you actually get 100 Swag Bucks, which is $1 back. So this ends up becoming $1.56. Or you can buy 2 of them. You would end up paying $7.12. You'll end up getting 300 Swag Buck points, which is $3, and then you'll get 2,000 points back with Fetch Rewards. So it's $5 back you'll get back. So this makes it $2.12 or $1.06 each. So my store has these stuffed puffs marshmallows for $2. I've never had these before, but I know that there's like ones that have chocolate filling in them. So basically all you need is that graham cracker to make your s'mores. So you pay $2 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1. So good thing to try for $1. Hi everybody, welcome back to my Walmart haul. So you guys, everything went out fine, everything scanned fine, all the coupons scanned fine. So let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. So like I mentioned, you can do this deal way better at Walgreens, but my store does not carry, or my store's been sold out of them, but it'll reset by the time I go back there anyways. But my daughter absolutely loves these. I love snacking on Fruit Loops, and I like the bigger ones too. Anyways, these were $4.98. You'd pay $4.98 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you get 370 kicks through Shop Kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, making this $1.50. So just got that for my daughter because she wants to snack on some stuff, especially like when we're on like road trips or in the car or something. Those are perfect for her, so I ended up getting that. I also got the Kotex Liners. These were $2.97. I used that 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You would pay $1.94 for this, but then you get 50 cents back and 50 cents back with Ibotta. And then I also got 1,000 points through Fetch Rewards for buying 2 of them. This comes out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. I also need to spend a couple dollars more also to get a, was it a $5 bonus through Fetch Rewards? So I'm gonna check that out, but that is a great deal. I'm excited to try this Aussie shampoo and conditioner. These are $2.97. You buy 2 of them, you end up paying $5.94, but then you can submit your receipt for $2 off of 2 with Ibotta, and you can submit your receipt to coupons.com for $2 off of 2, making these $1.94 or 97 cents each. Sorry you guys, I forgot to do my math for the coupons.com thing. So I also got the Always Discreet. These were $5.27. I used a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from the P&G. You would end up paying $5.54, but then there is a 5 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making both of them just 54 cents. 54 cents is a great deal. You know what's funny is I only bought 1 P&G with, well actually I didn't buy it, I got with my newspaper this week, or this past couple weeks, because I feel like I always buy like 4 P&Gs and I never get my money's worth out of them. So I only decided just to get the 1, and I can't believe I'm excited to finally use like all my coupons for that. But I kind of wish I got another one, you know. Okay, I got a couple more deals for you guys in this bag. I'm just emptying out of the stuff that I did do, so I can just shove it right back in. Okay, so I ended up getting the Pantene Miracle Boost. These were $2.97. You want to buy 2 of them in the travel section and pay $5.94 for these, but then there is a 5 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them 94 cents or 47 cents each, which I'm pretty excited to use these, especially in travel. I've been traveling a lot over the last couple weeks, and I'm ready to take a break, but it's nice to have it to travel with. I got the Head and Shoulders. These were $3.67. I had that 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You would pay $4.34 for the 2 of these, but then there is that 3 off of 2 Ibotta rebate, making these $1.34 or 67 cents each. This is what my husband uses, this is what my father-in-law and my stepdad use, and I always am giving them Head and Shoulders because that's what they all love. And when I can stock up on Head and Shoulders, I definitely will stock up on Head and Shoulders. Okay, so I ended up getting this Febreze. This is the Untouchables. These were $6.94. I had that $3 off insert coupon. You would pay $3.94, but then you get that $3 rebate back, making them just 94 cents. So 94 cents, and I was trying to figure out like what scent I wanted, and I'm like, I don't know what I want, but this one seemed to be the one I could smell. It seemed to be okay. I also got the Dawn foaming dishwashing soap, so this might be easier for me just to grab something real quick and spray it on there. But these were this was $2.84. I used that $1 off insert coupon from the P&G. You would pay $1.84. No, it's $1.80. I think it was $2.84 or $2.83. I can't remember. I think it was $83. But you would pay $1.84, $83, whatever. But then you get a $1 rebate back with Ibotta, making this 84 cents or 83 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. I have yet to use this, and I like to use the Dawn products, so I ended up going that way. I just saw these in the main aisle as I was walking up to the registers, but I thought, hey, we'll try these. These are the stuffed puffs. They're basically marshmallows with chocolate already in them. So I thought my kids would actually probably like this to try. They're kind of like sticky. Okay, they don't expire till next year. But basically what I do is I just kind of make microwave s'mores in the wintertime for my kids. So I thought this would be a great thing to do. So this was on sale for $2. Does it even show $2 on here? Usually I price check everything. Yeah, it was $2. Originally $3.98, on sale for $2. Yeah, and then there's that $2 or that $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this $1. I'm like, yes, we will take it. We will take it. Now I did the blue almond diamonds deal. I wanted to get 2 of these, but that is okay because I know my husband will eat this more. So these were $3.57 and this was $3.48. I only used that $1.50 off coupon for the extreme. There is that $1 off too, so depending on how you guys want to do it, I ended up using the $1.50. You would pay $5.55 for both of these, but then you get a $1.50 rebate for the extreme, and you get a 50-cent rebate for the Korean barbecue, making it $3.55. But then there's a deal where if you buy 2 of them, you get a $5 Visa gift card, or a Visa card, which I actually just put it right to my Amazon account, making these $1.45 money makers. You guys will get those for free, which I am liking. Okay, I got 2 more deals for you. I ended up getting the Baya energy drinks. I got the pineapple passion fruit. That's what my husband wanted. These were, how did I not write this down, but I did have it written down. These were $2.38. You'd pay $2.38 for it, but then there's that $2.38 rebate with Ibotta, making this for free. There's actually quite a few different Ibotta freebies for drink-wise, but my store doesn't carry any of the other ones. I was looking around, but that is okay. I was excited to get that one. And then my husband will be super excited for this one. This is the sweet and spicy sauce. These were $3.56. You'd pay $3.56 for it if you want to do the one deal. There is a you get 100 swag bucks for buying one, and you get 1,000 points through Fetch Rewards if you buy one, making it $1.56. But I ended up buying 2 because I have a feeling my husband will really like these. So you'd pay $7.12. You get 1,000 points and 1,000 points with Fetch Rewards, but then you get 300 swag bucks for buying the 3 of these, or buying the 2 of these, making these $2.12 or $1.06 each. Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. So that was my haul, you guys. That was everything that I got. My total came to $51.50. I did not figure out what it was before coupons, because I did get a couple other things. But $51.50. My Ibotta, I received $27.38 back. I did get a weekend wear. I need 15 rebates to get $5. So I was just $3 or 3 rebates shy of hitting it. Usually, like, by the time I'm already at the checkout is when it updates, which is okay because we will get it this weekend. With Swagbucks, I received 300 Swagbuck points for that, so it's $3. With Shopkicks, I received 450 points. Now, I got the 370 for the jumbo snacks, but then there was a Kotex one for 50 points, and I decided to click that as a submitted receipt, and so I got that, and then I also got like the 10 points for walking in. So I ended up getting $1.80 back with Shopkicks. With Fetch Rewards, I received 3,083 points, which is $3.08. And then with coupons.com, it looks like I already got it. I got $2 back for the Aussie deal for coupons.com app, and then I will be submitting my receipt for the $5 gift card or Visa card that I just kind of put right into my Amazon account anyways. But my grand total came to be $9.24. I got 19 items at 48 cents each, which I'm pretty excited for. Pretty happy. I'm excited to get all those P&G deals. Very rare do we ever get that many P&G deals. I hope it's like that more often. Maybe they're just testing something out to see how well it is. Make sure you guys are submitting your receipts to the P&G website. You get gift cards for buying P&G items. I've been really slacking at that. I wish it had an app, because if they had the app, I could just bam, bam, bam. But no, I have to like sign in, and I've been having kind of problems with that app anyways. But make sure you guys are submitting your receipt to the P&G website. And then since I bought that Kellogg's product, I'm also submitting my receipt to the Kellogg's. I'm not sure if that qualifies for the free book, but if you guys haven't watched my video, there is a free book that you guys can get with Kellogg's. This is like the 4th summer that they've done it. I've already requested 2 books already. It's awesome. And then if you guys haven't already, join the Amazon shopper panel. You guys get $10 gift card every single month for scanning 10 receipts. I have a video already made for that. If you just Google, Amazon shopper panel DesignerJen, you guys can find it. And then make sure you're submitting your receipts to all the other ones. But just wanted to share with you guys all those awesome deals Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I absolutely love it when I get new subscribers. I would love to hit to a goal to 100,000 someday in the near future. That's my lifetime goal. It's always been my goal, so help me out and reach that goal. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.